Hello Year 3 and Year 4. Today is Monday the 27th of April and we're going to start our brand new learning journey. For this learning journey we're all going to be scientists. So the first thing we need to do is really look at and try and understand our question. So our Can I question for today is, can I unpick our learning journey question? Pause the video now, write today's date and our Can I question on the top of your page for me and underline them. Once you're ready, play the video and we'll find out what our question is. Here's our question. How does a plant's environment affect its growth? Could you write our learning journey question in the middle of your page? Because today we're going to be trying to explain some of the key vocabulary that we find in our question so that we really understand what it is we're going to be doing. So pause the video, write down our learning journey question in the middle of your page. You could even draw a lovely bubble around it if you'd like to, and then play the video once you're ready again. Okay, the first part of our question we're going to look at is the word plant. What is a plant? So draw an arrow and you could even draw yourself a picture of a plant. Then I'd like you to have a go at seeing if you can explain what a plant is. I'm going to give you a clue. Is it a living or non-living thing? And perhaps, what do plants all have in common? What makes them different from humans, for example, or other animals? Have a go, and once you've written a sentence or two, play the video and I'll show you my ideas. Here's my ideas. So I've said plants are living things that cover much of the land of planet Earth. You see them everywhere. They include grass, trees, flowers, bushes, ferns, mosses and more. Plants are members of the kingdom Plantae. Now, all living things on Earth can be split into 5 different kingdoms, and plants are put into the kingdom Plantae. So there's a little bit of extra knowledge if you didn't know that already. Okay, the next piece of vocabulary in our learning journey question is environment. Now we talk about environment a lot, so what do we exactly mean about a plant's environment? Draw an arrow, and you could draw a picture of an environment. I've chosen this picture deliberately because it actually shows 2 different environments. See if you can spot what I'm getting at there. What do I mean by 2 different environments in the same picture? How is this side of the picture different to this half of the picture? And then have a go at trying to explain what we mean by environment. Once you're ready, play the video again and compare your answer to mine. Here's mine. The environment is everything around us. Often we refer to the world around us as the environment. It's all of our surroundings, the air, the soil, the water. Plants and animals need a healthy environment to survive. So in our question, we're thinking about the environment in terms of the conditions a plant lives in. So what conditions a plant needs to live in order to grow. Okay, our final piece of vocabulary we're going to look at is growth. Have a go at drawing your arrow. You could draw a little picture for me and then have a go at defining and explaining what we mean by growth. Once you're ready, play the video and I'll reveal what I've put. Okay. Growth means the increase in size of a plant and its development. As it grows, it gets bigger. It might develop more leaves or it might grow taller. So the increase in size. So as it's from small, perhaps from when it's just a seed, to as it grows into a fully developed plant. Okay, hopefully you understand a little bit more about what our question is asking us to think about. Asking us to think about how different plants, and perhaps we might think about how plants are different to one another and how they need different environments in order to flourish and grow. How different plants' environments affect how or how much they grow. Well done for today, Year 3 and Year 4, and look forward to seeing you tomorrow.